How to delete Google account permanently. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open any of the Google apps on your device, and once open, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the Manage Your Google Account option you see there. Further, you will see the option for data and privacy. Tap on that and now scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for delete your Google account. So, tap on the delete your Google account option you see there and you will be required to enter your account's password for verification purpose. So, go ahead and enter your account's password and tap on next. Once entered, you will then be required to read the terms and conditions before deleting your account. So go ahead and read that, and also if you want to download a copy of your data before deleting, then you can tap on the download your data option you see there. Further, go ahead and check the checkboxes at the bottom and finally tap on the delete account option you see there, and with this, your account will be deleted successfully. So, this is how you can delete your Google account permanently. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.